What's that, Rick? Okay, never mind. I'll go down there. Line's busy, Molly. I'll go down there.
Well, you just relax. We can call them later.
No, sir. Not while they got $13.50 charged to my account that don't belong there. Don't relax. Get your hat.
But, Jerry, there's no...
I'm going to take this silly-looking hunk of Chinatown brass down there and stick the head of the umbrella stand's department store's head into it. Unless he's bigger than I am, of course, in which case...
Hold it, Jerry. Come in. Oh, it's the old-timer, McGee. Hello, Mr. Old-timer.
Hello there, kids. Hi, daughter. Hi, Johnny.
Hi, old-timer. We're kind of busy right now.
Hey, Johnny, what you doing with a towel of brass? Bucket?
This? We're going to take it back to the Bonton, old-timer. We don't want it.
If you don't want it, why'd you buy it, Johnny?
Oh, we didn't buy it, Mr. Old-timer. The store sent it out by mistake.
Yes, it's a bad case of inefficiency.
Don't look like a case, Johnny. It looks more like a tall brass bucket. It's a good umbrella stand.
That it is an umbrella stand. I'm trying to tell you we didn't order it, see?
Is that so?
Yeah.
Say, I had a very interesting experience along that line myself one time, kid.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. I was walking down the street with a fellow named Cravenlooper. Zebulon H. Cravenlooper. And all at once, something happened that changed my entire life. I wish I could remember what it was.
Well, your loss of memory is our gain. We got to take this thing downtown now. The store sent it out by error.
By error, eh?
Yeah.
That's a strange way to deliver a tall brass bucket that looks like an umbrella stand.
Huh?
I used to deliver messages that way, but...
Why, what way?
By error, daughter.
Huh?
Take a bow and arrow, tie a message onto it, shoot the arrow into the air. It falls to earth. I don't know where. James Whitcomb Riley.
That's Longfellow.
How's that, Johnny?
Longfellow.
So long, fella. So long to you, too, daughter.
Billy Mills and the orchestra, and Toot Toot Tootsie, goodbye.